In this video, we're going to be talking about the 12 ways to share Poshmark listing for maximum exposure. So number one is going to be daily self-share. So manually share your own items to your followers via the share icon on the listing page to keep them at the top of your search results. Also, there's going to be the second way, which is going to be bulk sharing. So use the seller tool menu in your closet to select and share multiple items at once, significantly saving time. Also, you can use the Posh Parties, so share your relevant items to themed afternoon or evening Posh Parties to reach targeted buyers. You can also share others' items, so community share others users listing to encourage them to shares your back, which will increase your visibility to their followers. Also sharing to new Porsches, so for example, find new users via find people, new people, and share their items. Often they will share your back as well, and it will boost your engagement. Also, you need to have consistent timing, so share multiple times daily, morning, afternoon, late night, to catch different waves of active users. When we talk about the seventh one, make sure you do a late night and early morning shares as well. So sharing between 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. EST or early morning to target users browsing when fewer sellers are active, reducing competition. Also use tools like Posha VA to schedule thousands of daily shares, ensuring consistent activity without manual effort. And use the Pinterest share option to drive external traffic to your listing, especially for visually appealing items. You can also utilize the share icon to post listing directly to Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter and feature your items in upcoming Posh shows to get them in front of live show viewers. So those are the couple of ways you can go ahead and share listing on Poshmark for exposure. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and